Question 18. A village fair has stalls to raise money for charity. On one stall there is a game where you roll a 6-sided dice and a 4-sided spinner. The dice is labelled 1 to 6, the spinner 1 to 4. The score on the dice and the score on the spinner are added to get the total score. The table shows some of the possible total scores. Complete the table. Okay, so I've completed the table first of all with the total scores. People pay 50 pence to play the game. The prizes are £1 for a total score of 7 or 8, £2 for a total score of 9 or 10. During one day of the fair, exactly 300 people played the game. Did the stall make profit or loss on this day? You must fully explain your answer. 5 marks. Okay, this is about probability. So, first of all, what is the probability of getting a score of 7 or 8? 7 or 8. Probability of 7 or 8, well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens, 5, 6, 7 or 8s. So altogether there are 7 or 8s. Out of, altogether, 6 times 4, 24 options. So that would be 7 out of 24. So you'd expect 7/24ths of 360 to get a 7 or 8. 7/24ths of 360. Think of miles. Divide by the denominator, times by the numerator. 360 divide by 24 and times by 7. That, if you do the calculation and do some working out for that, gives you 105 people. Next bit is then the probability of scoring a 9 or a 10. So probability of 9 or 10. 9 or 10, there are 1, 2, 3 out of 24. So that would be 3 out of 24. Again, how many people would you expect? 3/24ths of 360, divide by 24, times by 3, and that would give you 45 people. So, of the 360 people, 105 of them you'd expect to win £1, 45 of them you'd expect to win £2. Okay? So, let's work that out then. So, outgoings. Well, 105 times by £1, which is £105. 45 times by £2, which is £90. Altogether, that gives us £195. That's the amount we should pay out. The ingoings, the amount of money you take in, well, that's 360 people, and each person pays 50 pence. So that's 360 times by the 50 pence. That's £180. So you take in £180, you pay out £195, which means, because 195 take 180 is £15. You'd expect to make a loss of £15. Did the store make a profit or a loss on the day? You must fully explain your answer. A loss of £15.